Hi guys, if the apps in your mobile continuously crashing and showing MSA keeps stopping error, it is mainly because of some new system WebView bugs which happened after the new updation. Android System WebView basically is a supporting software of Google which helps to display web contents. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that issue. So let's go. So first of all, go to settings. From here, scroll down and go to apps. From here, click manage apps. And from here, click the three dots which you can see in the upper right corner. And click show all apps. And from here, search for WebView. Here you can see Android System WebView. Click that app. From here, click clear data and click clear all data and click OK. And it will most likely fix your problems. And if that is not fixing your problem, just go to settings again and go to apps. Then go to manage apps again, and then from here search for Chrome or whatever your default browser is. Click the web browser app, and from here click uninstall updates and then click OK. After that, go to manage apps again and search for MSA and click that app and uninstall these apps updates also. Click OK. And now wait for the new updates of Google Chrome, MSA and Android WebView. They will be releasing a new updation with all the bugs are fixed. So wait for it. When it comes, update all these apps again. So I hope it is helpful for you guys and see you guys on the next video.